Hello everyone, today we are going to replace the air filters of 2005 SLK 55 AMG R171. Okay, just the air filters just underneath this. To get there we have to remove this part and these two. So this part is pretty easy, but just be careful, okay, because these are very prone to damage and get broken. See, this one here, it's already broken because I think it's a previous owner of this car, so nothing to do with me. So it comes just pretty easily. This is the one that's holding here, so once you pull it up slowly, gently, it will come up. Okay, now as for this one, you just pull it up here. You can see these bushes, so you can pull here. Yep. Then you can lift it up from here. There you go. And same goes to this part. Okay, they are gone. There you go. Now the last bit. So you can already see it's here. So these are the bushes it's holding. So lift it up. Okay. I had to mention something. There you go. Once you have that part out, this is the put it upside down. So you have 4 screws, 2, 3, and 4. You can use a torque. I think it's 25 to take it out. So once you get the screws out, this is how it is. You can just pull it out, or you can put your finger in here, push it out. Okay, I can't show it to you while holding the phone. Yeah, just pull it out. It should work. While you're at it, just clean the housing. So it's so much dirt, so just clean it up. When you put back the new one, just check if it seats properly, because I have seen some comments about some filters it not fitting up properly. Just make sure it fits properly, otherwise it just destroy the purpose of the filter. Okay, we are ready, all done. When you're putting them back, make sure this comes here, and there are some other bushes. Can you see them? I don't know. Yeah, and most importantly, this part here, this should align nicely. Okay, otherwise you'll be in trouble. put it. I can't push it. I can't push it with one hand. I have to take this down, but make sure this aligns nicely. See this part. Okay, I'll do it now. This part. If it's good, you can see this part here. This go nicely, and this, and not sure if you can see this anymore. So can you see this here? See, it's been aligned nicely. Okay. Anyway, you will hear a click when you put it nicely. And when you are fixing these, you can see, ooh, it's got an AMG logo there. Anyway, here, put this side first. Make sure it stays there. Then pull it down like this. Then push. That's it. You can, if you go underneath, you can feel with your finger here. So it's done. Okay, let's get the other one. See, this hole should go nicely here. See, not too bad. Let's get the other part. This part, just put it in here. It will fit in. And make sure this goes. And press. That's it. Unfortunately for me, I showed you before, there's this clip was broken. Wasn't me, but it's just, it rattles sometimes. So it's not really when engine starts, it's just, it is like that. All done.